Make neti pot solution. The neti has been a popular solution for cleaning the nasal cavity. When you have a nasal congestion, you could find a relief that could clear up your nasal cavity safely and effectively. That is why using a neti pot to cleanse the nasal cavity is becoming more and more popular all over the world. The neti uses a neti pot, and a neti pot is a container that has a liquid solution to rinse your nasal cavity. This is often recommended to people who have colds, sinus problems, and nasal congestion. This practice originated from India and became very popular because of the practical benefits it offers. Its main use is to cleanse the nasal cavity, but other than that, it can also help a person avoid developing other medical conditions like sinus infection, asthma, bronchitis, and other upper respiratory tract infections. It can also help in relieving migraine and other mental tension. This procedure uses a special pot, the neti pot, to make it easier to pour into the nasal passageway. It comes in different shapes but usually have the same size to hold the enough amount of water. There are some neti pot packages available for you to buy where a neti pot and a powdered solution is included. When you have the pot, you can buy the solution to clear your congestion. The neti pot solution can be very effective in treating the nasal congestion, but when you look neti pot solution packages in shops or stores, you might lose interest in buying one because of its price. If you want to save yourself from purchasing costly neti pot solution packages, you can always make one at home. You can find all the ingredients that you need in your kitchen to make the solution yourself. Making a neti pot solution is quite easy. Just follow these easy steps and save yourself from nasal congestion. Fill the neti pot with water. Put 8 ounces of water in the neti pot. Make sure that the water is warm and is close to your body's temperature. It is important to make sure that the water that you'll use is clean. You can use distilled water or filtered water for your neti pot solution. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Use non-iodized salt for the neti pot solution. This kind of salt can be bought in many grocery stores. Mix it in the water and dissolve completely. Add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. After dissolving the salt in water, add the baking soda to the solution. Make sure that it dissolves completely as well. The neti pot has been proven to be an effective way of cleansing and clearing the nasal cavity. That is why if you want to deal with your nasal congestion immediately and economically, then you can try making your own neti pot solution to clear your nasal congestion. Neti is a gentle, safe, an economical way to cleanse your nasal cavity. But before you use the neti pot, make sure you know how to use it right to avoid having further problems. Follow the proper procedure of doing this technique to be able to cleanse your nasal cavity effectively and safely.